All right, so I saw that some of you were asking about how to add affiliate links to your Reels on Facebook. So I'm going to do just a quick tutorial on how to do that. Obviously, you need to click down here to your Reels. We're going to select this video.
We just got the viral smart fitness.
It's a smart fitness scale. And then you're going to go down here to more settings. And you guys might not have this. Some of you will have this. Earn money is what we're going to click on. And then we're going to add a product link. Now, product link here, you can only do certain affiliate sites, so you can't deep link them. So we're going to go ahead and paste our Amazon short link, which is that one right there. And then here is going to be the name of our scale. And just before that, just to ensure that we are doing the proper disclosure, I always put add right there. And then down here, you're also going to do the add paid partnership label to let your audience know that you can earn commissions by posting this link. I just like to do that to, once again, ensure I'm covered by FTC, all that fun stuff. And then we're going to save this. And I'm going to go ahead and scroll back up here up top. And this is where you can describe your reel. And I do have a thing already saved here in ChatGPT. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this right here and paste it in. There we go. Make sure that's all cleaned up. Don't need those quotes on there. Looks good, looks good, looks good. Obviously, over here, you can change this up if you would like to. I'm happy with that because it showcases the products quite well. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save right there. And then do one last final check on here. Make sure we have everything properly checked. I don't ever, put a location on this or anything. If you guys have playlists and stuff, cool, you can do that. I've always ran into issues on Facebook adding them to playlists. Obviously, if you have a business partner, you can tag them. And then the same thing, invite a collaborator. Like if you have a business partner or something like that, I believe if you do the invite collaborator, they can like boost your reels and things. So should be good to go. We're gonna go ahead and share this now. All right, so now it has posted, and whenever you go into this,
we just got the viral smart.
Go ahead and pause him. As you can see down here, it says shop now, and then I have my little ad disclosure on there. You can click on that, and it will take the customer to the Amazon website, and it should have your cookies affiliated with it and everything.
Skill from eTech City. Let's go ahead and,
like I said, that one's not deep linked. So down here, I always like to put a deep link. Check out today's deal on the, what was this called? Smart Scale. And then we're going to go over here. I use Genius Link, but there's tons of deep linking websites out there. Going to go ahead and copy that.
Open it up. Instructions on how to download the app.
Pause this guy again. And then add our deep link. Same thing, put add after it. Check out today's deal on the scale. Send that. And then that's posted as a comment. So 2 ways for your customers to be able to interact with this. Actually 3, I think. There's the one right here. There's the one up top, and there's the comment. For some reason, that comment just disappeared. It should be there.
We just got the viral smart fitness skill from eTech City.
There it is.
Let's go ahead.
So comment is there. So that's it. That's how I post my stuff. Your reel with the link, and then like I said, with that back up deep link in the comments. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Love to help out down there in the comments section.